Well, this is the news that is coming in right now. The trade body has mooted a new proposal in an appeal to the Prime Minister. PSC Chambers of Commerce has said that government should pay in advance as salaries in cash to government and public sector and private sector employees at 10,000 rupees per employees with new 500 rupee notes. This could be treated as advance salary. This suggestion would also avoid overflowing of queues and hardship being faced by most of the citizens, and the productivity would not be hampered in organizations where many officials are reaching late because they have to stand in, well, the ATM queue. We have Dr. Mahesh Gupta, who is president of the PhD Chambers of Commerce, joining us this morning. Good morning, Dr. Gupta. Thanks for speaking to India Today. It's a bold suggestion which you've given to the government. Has there been any reply or a progress in this idea that you've mooted?
Well, I have not heard any progress, but I have been trying to get into media like you so that our voice reaches to the government. I have written to the finance minister, and we do hope it's a no-loss situation. It's a gain situation to everybody. And we, in turn, would make our organization as a banking organization, at least for our employees. So this would be very helpful.
But Dr. Gupta, you've mentioned in this note as well, the presentation that you've given to the finance ministry, that 10,000 rupees salary as an advance should be given with 500 rupee notes. Now, the basic issue is here, sir, that even for 500 or 2,000 rupee notes, the change is not available. So this, do you believe, could be a solution?
Well, the problem is 2,000 rupees, not 500 rupees note. The government said the 2 lakh ATMs are not operative because they are not calibrated to give 500 rupees note. Well, then this is the solution. The government has 500 rupees note. The banks can give us these notes, and these notes, once we give it to the employees, the 500 rupees note is easily cashable because somebody buys 200 bucks of item, then he wants 300 rupees change. People can get 300 rupees change. But 2,000 rupees note is not easily tradable right now because you buy 200 rupees item, you can't get back 1,800 rupees. But 500 is a good solution.
But Dr. Gupta, we're looking at 15th of November right now, and many household budgets have gone awry. There are also a shortage of the cash that's been seen by banks and ATMs here. Although the government has maintained that RBI has sufficient amount, where do you see that the cash would be available with even the private sector firms, many of them, to give out salaries?
A problem, because the government will have to allow us to withdraw salary at least on 1st of December. So why wait till 1st of December? At least allow us to give 10,000 rupees to everybody today itself. Otherwise, my employees, all employees of the organization are standing in the queue. We have a lot of absentees, and that's a talking point, and we can't blame them because their daily needs must be met. So this is a simple solution, and I think the government should accept to this.
All right. All right, before we let you go, Mr. Mahesh Gupta, you're also the president of Kantar. Also, would you be dispersing an advance salary to your employees? Because as a private sector firm, you have in your jurisdiction that decision to take so that it eases out many troubles that people are facing.
I'm worried about my employees, and I would like to them have a good food, and I would like them to be mentally happy so that they can really do a good work. Paying a salary, they have already worked till 14. They deserve at least 15 days salary. But what I will pay is only 10,000 rupees, which is essential. And I think every company would be ready to pay to their employees to get productivity from them.
Well, that could be one solution and a start of it. Mr. Mahesh Gupta, thank you so much, sir, for joining us and speaking to India Today this morning.